What's going on, YouTube? I'm here with a new game on the channel. It's called Colony Survival. And me and my friend Hale have been working together. And another friend of mine, James, have been working on something for a long time now. Um, I stayed up till 3 a.m. Central Time working on this, so yeah. It's either 3, 2, 1. That's right, guys. It's a tower. So all the white is clay. If some of y'all know what this game is. Well, let's go explore the inside, shall we? So we have a rail going from my revenge colony, which I will show maybe in this video. But let's go inside. So the master of the server is Hale. See, welcome to Tower 1. And it's like a good little reception. It's the front desk here. And there's stairs. This is a stairwell right here. Now let's go to floor 1. This is the floor. This is the first floor. This is Hale's design. He's designing most of the rooms. He's actually the one that helped build the tower. I was at school while this was built. I have built 4, well, 3. I built 5 more rooms right here. He just has yet to design them. And you see all these floors are empty. If y'all wondering what that sound is next to me, it's my dog. Now this is the first set of rooms for the majors. I am a major. This is not my room. This is Keyboard's room. He actually has it pretty nice compared to mine. These rooms are empty, as we need more people. Let's go up one more to where my room is and a few other people. So this Big J's room. This is my room. There's one hell of a view from here. Then this Puppet Master's room, he hasn't logged on, so this is just empty. Just has some bookshelves and beds. Same with Weston's. It just has this, as he hasn't logged on. Now let's go to Hale's Master Suite. Now this is all his design. This is his Master Suite. Has bookshelves. He built this stupid, weird bed chamber. Again, one hell of a view. Then he tried making a little garden, but he couldn't place flowers, so he made a tree. Let's go up one more to the restaurant. This is the restaurant. That's the kitchen. There's one floor above it, which is the court, and this is the fastest way down. This is the fastest way down. Now this goes straight to the 11th floor, which is like the court slash law slash consultation room. So this is it. There's doors on both sides. I did not design this. This is Hale's. Here is the rankings. See, here I am right here. I am the General of the Air Force. This is the throne right here. And right there's the court defendant where we go. And then you have seats right here. I did record while we were making the laws, but something happened to it, and I do not know where the recording went. So I have to go dig through my files. If y'all want to pause the video here, so you can read all the laws. There's more rankings over here. And this is the top of the tower. Now, the reason why we built this tower is not just for looks. We also built it. This was a mammoth tree in the game. Then we decided to turn it into a tower. So I will show y'all the mine. This is the mine. There is a miner block on every ore. Every single zinc and coal ore here. And if we go down one more, this is where all the beds are. Then if we go down one more, it's where I've been working with tree farmers. But let's go back up to the ground floor and I will show y'all my revenge colony. Because I had a colony that was booming. I mean booming. And there's another player on the server named Taiga. He found my base and turned it into a pit. This goes to my revenge colony. Now, the revenge colony is what I made after I got mined out. And if this tells you enough, if y'all look in the top left, is day 2301. I joined the server on day 553. So, and I got mined out on day 1893, I think. And I joined my friend Hale, and his colony's Krieg. And Krieg is a German word, and it means war. So I joined him. He has gotten further than I ever was. So thanks to me, I have helped him a lot. See, we made some cherry trees over there. I will definitely record when me and Hale were trying to build something. And this is quite a long rail to go to my revenge colony. And here's my revenge colony. If I press F4, you see I have, and look in the top left, I have 7,337 colonists here. That's a lot of colonists. So this is like the fishery slash water gatherers. I will show you the Lasudex, is what that yellow is way over there. So you have all the water gatherers, all the fisher people, dudes. Let's go check out the inside of my revenge colony, shall we? So this top floor is poison, cotton, and a absolute butt ton of job locks. You have the wall of steel lock boxes. This is all of these dudes. There's a lot of them. This is all fully functional, and I designed it so I know how it works. And I want to show y'all a little hack on how to no clip without being able to fly. Because if I press F, nothing happens. So you can use a door or a tailor shops like this. You walk down the middle of tailor shops, and then here you go, your node clipping. And then sometimes that happens. It's like all the barley, wheat, cabbage, and some stuff. I'm gonna grab a door real quick. So you can use a door to node clip as well. So you go in, close the door on yourself. Here you go, your node clipping. Yeah, there's a lot here. There's over 1,000 berry farmers. There's a lot of dudes here. But let's go look at Lasudex, and then I'm going to do my outro. Oh well, I gotta show you a fort. So I'll show you Lasudex and a fort, which is a castle where we used to keep all the rankings before we put them in the tower. I wish I was able to record when we were building the tower, but like I said, my files messed up, so let's take the rail here. And it goes all the way to La Sudex, which is right here. I don't know why Hale put the rail under the water, but you did. So this is all flax, wheat. If you go over here, I made some berry farmers, more berry farmers, so that we can mass produce berries and have a lot of meals. As you see, if you look in the top right, we have 1,850,000 berry meals, or meals in total. Yeah, but there we do have gliders here because that's kind of our way of getting around as General of the Air Force. See, right here is a launch steel glider. I gotta turn it around real quick. And you can see the start of the castle. Oh, this is another little glitch of how to no clip. You can use a glider. Hope it didn't do it there. You have to do face down and then get out of the glider, and your legs will be in the ground and you can no clip. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so this is the fort. It's pretty cool. Here's the rankings again. Then User and SweetX, they don't play on the server anymore. They were massive colony owners. If I go to diplomacy, see, someone made this. Get musket ammo if they have more than one. Anyways, you here create 10,834 colonists. Sweet X colony, 160. My dead colony, right here, Dog Lovers colony, 170. Game Cheers colony, 25. Sorrow, Woe to Not Live, has 138. He doesn't play on the server anymore. You can see there's a lot of colonies here. Oh, yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all found this video inspiring. I love you guys. Thank y'all for the support, and God bless.